Greetings and welcome to Travel News Weekly by Turnpikes.com. I'm Danny Pryor reporting. We begin with a quick follow-up on the Manhattan congestion tolling issue. New York's Metropolitan Transportation Authority and the Trump administration have filed their competing briefs with a federal court in Manhattan as a judge prepares to decide whether to uphold a previous approval of the congestion tolling program. Oral arguments were heard January 28th, and Judge Louis Lyman at the time had given both parties until last Friday to turn in the briefs. It is unclear how soon a ruling may be issued, however. Meanwhile, Friday was the day another major transportation project halted construction, while its fate also works its way through the courts. The Hudson Tunnel project, while it is a rail project and not a toll road, its impact on the commute for many who travel between New York and New Jersey cannot be overstated. A judge Friday blocked the White House's efforts to halt some $16 billion funding for the project. The Hudson Bay Project website, however, still notes on its website construction remains halted for now, even with Friday's court ruling. The current administration is expected to appeal that ruling. To another infrastructure project, this one a new toll bridge. We told you about new bridge beams being delivered in Evansville, Indiana, for the new I-69 Ohio River crossing to Henderson, Kentucky. The beams started getting delivered at the beginning of the month, but the delivery schedule has been updated and extended. No beams will be delivered this week, but there will be deliveries next week, the week of the 16th, from Monday through Thursday, and final deliveries on Monday, February 23rd. This will impact traffic on US 41 near the construction site in Evansville, where work crews are assembling the approach ramps for that new toll bridge. Speaking of the number 69, the new US 69 express lanes will be opening on February 21st on the south side of Kansas City. The Kansas Department of Transportation is having an open house this week on the 11th to introduce drivers to the express lanes and sign up new K-Tag users. K-Tag is, of course, the Kansas electronic toll transponder used on the Kansas Turnpike. The 69 express lanes will cover a 6-mile stretch of US 69 between 151st and 103rd Streets through Overland Park, south of KC proper. The open house will be at the Tomahawk Ridge Community Center in Overland Park, Wednesday the 11th from 5 p.m. until 7. In case you missed it, the first pile for the replacement of the Francis Scott Key Bridge in Baltimore is in place, even as the remnants of the old structure are being removed on the Patapsco River. A test pile program has also been ongoing on the south side of the navigation channel to test load capacity and simulate some of the forces and stresses that will be experienced by the bridge supports. Similar tests will be done on the north side of the shipping channel in March, according to information published by the Maryland Transportation Authority. The first support piling for the new bridge was driven just before the new year and marks the first element of the new bridge to actually be constructed, even as demolition of the old bridge is being finalized. A quick reminder, Monday evening is the virtual public hearing to discuss the planned replacement of the Chesapeake Bay Bridge, which will be followed by in-person hearings Tuesday and Wednesday this week. For those in Maryland, the in-person locations are on your screen. Scan the QR code on your screen to access the Bay Crossing website, which has complete information. We will call that a wrap for now, and we thank you for watching and listening. Please remember to drive safely and avoid distracted driving. I'm Danny Pryor reporting for Turnpikes.com, the Turnpike Authority.